What's up everyone? Today I'm filming a spring full face makeup tutorial. This is my first time filming a makeup tutorial video. I'm not a professional or anything like that. I'm basically self-taught YouTube watching 16-year-old girl. Keep on watching to find out how I got this face. So I already filled in my eyebrows and concealed them. So we're gonna start off with primer. I use the Benefit Professional. Moisturize this into my skin. Okay, so for foundation, I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'll have all the products listed down below. And then I just take a couple squirts on my hand, like 3 or 4, and blend it all in. After I'm done blending my foundation, I go in with my NARS concealer. This is in the color Ginger. It's a shade lighter than one that matches my skin because usually I'll just put concealer on. But we're gonna highlight today. So I go ahead and strike my T-zone and just drag it down my nose. I'll make a triangle, pretty much a triangle. I put a lot on underneath my eyes. And then I'll put a little on my chin just because I bake on my chin. Just gonna get ready for my eyes too right now, and I just place some of this, some of it, that was a lot, but on top of my eyelids, and it's just blended all together. And I just take my same beauty blender and blend it all in. So for baking, I just use the Laura Mercier baking powder. So yeah, after that, I'll also set my eyes, but I set it with this Revlon Photo Ready, whatever. I'm sure this isn't the best thing to set your eyes with, but it's what I do all the time, and it's been working, so I just go ahead and pat it all over my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow while my face is baking. I'm going to be using the Flamingo palette by Violet Voss and the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna go in with the color Sunbathe. Then I'm gonna be going in with the color Popsicle. It's a little more pigmented, and I'm kind of gonna be blending this into my crease a little more to make the outside a little brighter. Now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm just gonna use the same highlighting concealer in a concealer brush. Now after that, we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. I'm gonna be going in with the color B, so the yellow one, the only yellow one in the palette. Back to the Flamingo palette, to the same brush I started with, but I'm gonna go in with Popsicle, the one that we already used previously. And just go over the outside and blend it in and make it blend just a little bit more since the yellow is so packed on. Let's get rid of this powder. So I'm just gonna dust the powder off. Don't really ever contour, and I don't really have contouring stuff. I usually just put bronzer on, but I'm gonna contour with the bronzer. I'll just draw a line like under my cheekbone. I'll go in with my Real Techniques contouring brush. I think that's what it is for. That's what I use it for. And blend that all in. Yes, technically this is bronzer, but I'm gonna go in with bronzer. Then we're going back to the baking. So I'm just gonna bake and clean up the sides of my bronzer. Sometimes I do my nose, so I'm just gonna do it today for fun. Okay, so dust this powder off. I'm gonna be taking my Cover FX powder and a big old powder brush, and I'm just gonna be like patting my face simply to lock everything in place, I guess, but at the same time make my skin look somewhat the same because it's a ton of different colors right now. So I'm taking my Morphe. Yeah, I know it's broken. Whatever, it's just by Morphe. It's blush. It's the N9. The N9 blush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. Just a little bit. Okay, so after my face is pretty much done, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, That Glow. Everyone should have it. I'm gonna take a fan brush because I don't like a ton. And I mix it in between bubbly and dripping gold. I have to go and fan my nose a little bit. Everyone used to have a phase of the nose glow, and I was never into it, but I'm late to everything, so. And I'm gonna use the same two colors and place this underneath my brow bone. And finally, the eyes. Oh wait, no, I'm so freaking stupid. I forgot to put eyeshadow under my eyes. So I'm using a sort of smaller brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the color Sunbathe. I'm actually gonna be mixing these two colors. I'm gonna be mixing Popsicle and Sunbathe, the two oranges that we used out of the Violet Voss palette, Flamingo palette, and just go underneath my eyes with them. I'm gonna take the color Pineapple, it's a sparkly yellow in the Violet Voss palette, and I'm putting it on the inner corners of my eye. And it's time to do the lashes, my favorite part. This is Michelle's Beauty, I think that's how you pronounce the name, Royal Collection. I don't know exactly. They all have a name for each other, like each individual eyelashes have a name. But these ones are in the middle that I'm going to be using because they're the only ones I have left. These look super dramatic and intense, so. No, I can't wear these. They look terrible. I'm going to put a little mascara on. Yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this. The look turned out a little more dramatic than I thought just because of the eyelashes, but it's all that I had. So hopefully you recreate this, and if you want me to do more tutorials like this, because I had a lot of fun doing it and I'm super into makeup, just let me know. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.